You are in the business of things. You do all kinds of things with those things. But you have to make sure that your things are sustainable and sustainably made. You also need to keep an eye on your bottom line and make sure that your business is efficient and cost-effective. And you have to make sure that people can find your things, choose them, buy them, and like them enough to buy them again and again and again. That's a lot of things to think about. We can help. We are in the business of technology. Using the power of AI, automation, and data analytics, we help you reimagine how your things are designed and engineered, how they are sourced and supplied, how they are marketed and sold, and even how they are returned, serviced, and recycled. So whether you need reduced CO2 emissions, Gen AI-powered product descriptions, support for your omnichannel, multilingual contact center, redefined customer experiences, predictive maintenance for your connected equipment, or anything else, we've got you covered. No matter what kind of thing your business specializes in, Hexaware is the right technology partner to help you with your things today. And imagine your next thing for tomorrow, so that you don't need to worry about a thing.